I'm doing a 10k to 20k portfolio challenge with crypto. This is 100% public. In fact, if you guys have been following my Twitter, you guys would have seen me doing this challenge and updating you on when I get into a coin and when I tether out. The whole point of this is to demonstrate that you can actually make money during the bear market if you play your cards right and you know when to buy a coin, deploy capital, and tether out. Like, if you get this right, you can get like 5-20% gains on your crypto bags multiple times a month even. So for full transparency, like, you can see what my 10k to 20k portfolio is doing. If you go to this address and put it into bosstrack.com, you'll get to see exactly what I'm putting my coins into. Yeah, this is what my portfolio is looking like right now. We started with 10k of tether and we bought Ethereum at about 1,200 something and sold at 1,270. BNB about 270 and sold at 295, somewhere around there. Not exact, but it's enough to get a $500 profit in about a week and a half so far. And I tethered out because I think there's going to be a correction. Just to explain, like, what is my methodology behind this? I'm basically doing my bread and butter strategy. Like, this is like what I do all the time myself in this market environment. You may think, okay, well, I've only made like 5%. Well, this freaking adds up, right? Like, this is a 10k portfolio, which is plus $500. A 100k portfolio is plus $5,000. A 1 million portfolio is 50k. You get the idea, right? This becomes cumulative. So the next time I get a 5% gain, I'm getting the 5% on the plus $500 that I just made as well. So things become exponentially quicker. It's slow at the start, and this strategy that I use, it usually gets about like 5 to 20% profit at a near 100% success rate. And this is what I do. Like, I rinse and repeat this process. I really don't have much emotions when I'm doing this. I'm always looking for moments to tether out of my crypto bags. So you may be wondering, how did I even come to the conclusion to tether out, or when I even got this entry? So I believe the point I got in on Ethereum was about here. Yeah. Now you may be looking at the indicators on my TradingView account. It's a paid indicator. It costs quite a bit, but it's super overpowered. It's like so good. You can get MarketSci for yourself for 15% off if you use the code 020 and you click on the link below. You'll get that discount, a 15% discount. So yeah, if you want it, you can get it. The way this works is this red wave means that the money flow is in the negative. It means people are taking money out. That means it's a good time to buy. And this is on the 4-hour time scale. Like, these are 4-hour candles, which is my bread and butter time scale. Like, I've back tested my strategy. It has an almost 100% success rate. Like, it's insanely good. Like, I mean, damn, like, I'm thrilled about this. I've done this in practice many times throughout the last few months too. What it basically is when the red wave is curving upwards and there's an anchor and a trigger wave down here on the momentum waves, like here, I think this is when I actually got in. Now, unfortunately, there was a bit of a dip down here and things didn't go exactly how I planned, but it doesn't really matter. I'm not trying to get the exact bottoms and tops, but it is a bit unfortunate that, you know, I couldn't get this bottom here. But it is what it is. This isn't like supposed to be perfect. It's just supposed to be consistent, and that's what it is. And basically, I'm just waiting. So I'm not getting freaked out by what's going on here. It'd be very easy for someone to like panic sell seeing this red diamond indicator, but I didn't. And I'm waiting for the red money flow to turn into the green. That in combination with the opposite, which is a bearish anchor and trigger wave, which is here and here. There's also the RSI curving downwards. The money flow is starting to curve back down. This is a safe time to tether up or open a short. So yeah, we went from here to there, and that's about a 5% gain. If you're on leverage, say 4x, that's a 20% gain. But for the purpose of this challenge, I'm just doing it on the blockchain so you guys can see what I'm doing. But otherwise, I would probably be doing leverage, low leverage on this as well. Like, this is so simple. It may look complicated, but it's really not. And, you know, I've back tested this quite a lot, this exact strategy. It's very, very consistent. It's just pretty reliably with not much potential downside. But this is what rich people in crypto do, man. They want those consistent 5-10% gains they can easily get, and it all adds up. Like if you get 10% 10 times in a row, in fact, let me get the calculator and we'll see what that is. Yeah, it's 259%. If you get a 10% gain 10 times in a row, it accumulates into a profit of not 100% but 159%, and it gets exponentially more and more from there. This is how like guys in finance get so obscenely rich, like Warren Buffett. They only need to make like 10-20%, and they're like do that consistently, and they're just like exponentially getting richer. You know, we're in the bear market, and getting, even if you get like one win, like let's say you get like 10% profit, which is the average of my strategy, my bread and butter strategy. The 5% I got this time was on the low end. Even if you get that one time, let's say you have a 100k portfolio right now. Let's say ETH 10x's, which is quite likely, and you got 10% more ETH now. That 110k Ethereum then turns into 1.1 million. So it's a huge advantage to just know how to tether up at the right time in this market, so that when the bull market comes, you just have that much more cryptocurrency to your name. This is how you do it. I know people are like skeptical when it comes to theory and, you know, me just saying, oh, I backtested it, it works. So that's why I'm doing this challenge. Like I'm showing you guys on the blockchain, like you can follow this wallet on boschtrack.com, put it in, and you can see exactly what I'm doing with this portfolio. Like it's not fake. I can't fake it. It's on the blockchain. And to be honest, like if I wanted to do this quicker, I could just put this on like Binance and do derivatives trading on like low leverage, and I'll probably take this 10k portfolio, 20k that much faster. But for the sake of this challenge, I want to make it as transparent as possible. So there you go. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed, please drop a like and subscribe for more videos like this.